Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on a Dodge Journey. Park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and open the hood. Locate the battery and remove any plastic covers or hold-down clamps. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Inspect cable ends and clean corrosion with a baking soda solution and wire brush before installing the new battery securely and reconnecting terminals. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on a Dodge Journey. After disconnecting cables, use a socket to remove the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up. Keep the battery level to avoid acid spills and set it on a protective mat. Compare terminal positions, then lower the new battery into place. Reinstall the clamp, tighten securely, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal to finish. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on a Dodge Journey. Once you reconnect terminals, start the engine to verify proper cranking and charging. Check dash lights and use a multimeter if available to confirm around 13.5 to 14.5 volts at the battery with engine running. Tighten terminals if needed and inspect for leaks. Reinstall any covers and dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.